So I'll tell you guys what. Definitely, definitely take. If you guys can cut that shroud, fan guard, definitely just cut it because this was a lot more. This was like frustrating actually. Me trying to get the fan out. Well, not frustrating, but more frustrating than it should have been. And you know, I end up pulling the whatchamacallit, that piece right there, the metal piece, and I hit the radiator by mistake. You know, I was pulling it out, hit the radiator by mistake, and I don't think I damaged it. I think it just is, you know, these little vents are just bent, but still, that was absolutely unnecessary. And all that was because of the stupid fan shroud. And I understand why it's there. For safety measures, you don't want a hand with a fan running. You don't want a hand in there and stuff like that. And I understand that, but again, this is from '95, and obviously, a car from '95. Well, all cars kind of have like the little quirks and stuff like that, but this was a quirk, enough of a quirk for me to just be absolutely flabbergasted at how that was designed. It was really a pain in the butt as far as that's concerned, but definitely got out. And I don't know if it's damaged or not. Can't really tell. I haven't actually driven this car too much, but we got that out, and we're gonna finish this up. We're gonna take that tube off, this tube off, this tube off. We're gonna take. I'm gonna take the compressor off. You probably don't need to take the, you know, just to get to the bolts. I'm gonna take this bracket off. I'm pretty sure I gotta take this bracket off to get to, you know, that bolt right there. And I don't know why they designed it that way, but I think it's just for more stability as far as, you know, the steering pump and the compressor is concerned. But outside of that, we're gonna take the we're gonna change up. We are going to change up the thermostat. Thermostat is right there, and we're gonna change this up too on top of that. So all right guys, like as I've always said, if there's anything else that I'm gonna have issues with, I'll definitely keep you guys in touch. I'll put a video. I'll make this video longer, because this is I think this is gonna be one big video. Maybe I have this in segments. No, I have this in segments. But that's what it looks like. And some fans, I believe some fans actually have the little notches where you have to hammer it off and then you unscrew it, but this one didn't. And yeah, so that's it.